Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix ASKO Dishwasher error code F54. So when your ASKO dishwasher detects an excess of water, it triggers F54 error code. This is a built-in safety feature designed to prevent potential flooding and protect both the dishwasher and your kitchen. So what are the causes of overfilling? So overfilling can occur due to the various reasons such as faulty water inlet valve or a malfunctioning float switch or issues with the water supply. Identifying the root cause is crucial for effective resolution. So what actions you can take in order to fix this error? So in order to address this problem, the initial step is to turn off the water supply valve. This immediate action helps prevent further overfilling and potential water damage. However, resolving this issue permanently requires a comprehensive inspection and repair. For that, you can even seek professional assistance, and you just have to simply timely resolve this problem. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.